Saving $10,000 on a regular income can feel like an overwhelming challenge for many people. Despite good intentions, most individuals struggle to reach this goal due to a combination of financial pressures and psychological barriers. Traditional saving methods often rely on strict discipline and willpower, which can be difficult to maintain over time. Unexpected expenses, lifestyle habits, and the temptation to spend can quickly derail even the best-laid plans. As a result, many find themselves giving up before they see meaningful progress, reinforcing the belief that significant savings are out of reach. Automation transforms saving from a challenging task into a seamless process. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account, you eliminate the need for constant decision-making and reliance on willpower. Start by choosing a fixed amount to save each month and scheduling a recurring transfer right after your paycheck arrives. Separating your savings into a different account reduces the temptation to spend, making your progress almost invisible but consistently effective. Over time, this system allows your savings to grow effortlessly, helping you reach your financial goals with minimal effort. Achieving a $10,000 savings goal may seem daunting at first, but breaking it down into daily actions makes it much more attainable. For example, setting aside just $28 each day will get you to your target in a year. Simple lifestyle changes, like brewing coffee at home instead of buying it or packing lunch instead of eating out, can contribute significant savings over time. It's helpful to view each small contribution as a step towards something meaningful, rather than a sacrifice. By reframing savings as progress toward a tangible goal, every daily choice becomes a positive investment in your future. Present bias is a common psychological trap where people prioritize immediate rewards over long-term benefits, often making it difficult to save for the future. Loss aversion further complicates matters, as individuals tend to fear losses more than they value equivalent gains, leading to hesitation in making financial sacrifices today. However, visualizing the end goal can help shift focus from short-term discomfort to the satisfaction of achieving a meaningful objective. By connecting savings to personal motivations, such as a dream vacation or financial security, individuals are more likely to stay committed. This approach transforms abstract financial goals into tangible outcomes, increasing the chances of long-term success. Overcoming impulse spending starts with practical strategies that encourage mindful decision-making. One effective approach is to create a "not now but later" list. By writing down items you want, instead of buying them immediately, you give yourself time to reflect on whether the desire persists. Another helpful tactic is to calculate the future value of a potential purchase. Considering how much that money could grow if saved or invested can make you think twice about spending on non-essentials. These methods help distinguish between genuine needs and fleeting wants, promoting healthier financial habits. Ego often plays a significant role in our spending habits, driving us to make purchases that reflect how we want others to perceive us. When we begin to care less about the opinions of others, we naturally start to spend less on things that are meant to impress. This shift allows us to save more, redirecting resources toward what truly matters. True wealth isn't measured by flashy possessions or outward appearances, but by the freedom and options we gain through financial security. Ultimately, prioritizing personal values over external validation leads to a more fulfilling and financially stable life. In summary, reaching a savings goal of $10,000 becomes attainable by leveraging 4 essential frameworks. Automation ensures consistency by making saving effortless, while impulse control helps prevent unnecessary spending. Future value thinking encourages prioritizing long-term benefits over short-term desires, and ego reduction keeps financial decisions grounded and rational. By putting these principles into practice now, you can move beyond understanding and start seeing real progress toward your financial goals.